Guys, in this video we're going to know about constipation. So I have a question for you guys. Is it really important to have regular bowel habit? How many of you agree that is it important to have regular bowel habit? If yes, give a like to this video. Friends, even from the 17th century, people used to take regular enema to keep their bowels clean. So the idea of cleaning the bowel originated in the 17th century, and it became a fashion for the people from the 17th century. So what is enema? People used to take or inject fluids into the lower bowel via the rectum, and this fluid will make the bowel clean. So let us know about regulation of GI motility. So how GI motility is regulated? The central nervous system, neuronal reflexes, and circulating enteric peptide hormones play an important role in control of GI smooth muscles. And the enteric nervous system, which integrates information from the periphery and the CNS and modulates the effective function. And after eating, we encounter that enteric peptides are released from the gut mucosa into the blood, and also neurotransmitters are also released into the gut, which may include excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. The excitatory neurotransmitters include acetylcholine, gastrin, neurokinins, etc. And the inhibitory neurotransmitters, which include vasoactive inhibitory polypeptide, noradrenaline, nitric oxide, ATP. And these hormones and the interaction between them, that is interaction between the excitatory and inhibitory neurohormones or neurotransmitters, will control the GI movements. As CNS is also involved in the GI movements, psychological disturbances also cause GI motility disorders. Guys, it is important to know that which kind of food or which type of food is very good for our GIT, that is gastrointestinal tract. It is believed that the diet which contains more amount of water and some amount of indigestible material or the food will help the passage of food from the GIT at a faster rate. The greater the indigestible residue, that is the fibers, etc., will help clear the bowel clean. Normally we feel the sensation of defecation, but if we ignore it day by day, it will lead to constipation. Because of ignorance, the sensation is lost and the process of defecation is stopped, which leads to constipation. And at that moment, or any of the psychological disturbances creates constipation. As I already said, CNS is connected with the GI movements. So psychological disturbances will create constipation too. So in order to avoid this kind of problems like constipation, we need to take more amount of water in our diet and more amount of indigestible materials like fibers, etc. And if you got constipation, what should you do? Laxation, which means elimination via use of soft stool formation without gripping and much loss of water. We use laxatives to control the problem of constipation. We will know about the drugs used to control constipation in the next video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, keep watching Capsule Concepts and Insights.